Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to this lecture on applications of export system. Export systems have several applications in various fields of business analytics. These systems, export systems, can support decision makers. It can be giving like a decision maker. It can support the decision making processes in an organization, and we will discuss all all the applications of export systems in this lecture. For example, export systems are playing a major role in risk assessment and management. So we can analyze historical data. Expert system can understand market conditions to analyze the risk, and also these systems can suggest the decision makers or the manager where they can invest, and what kind of products would be suitable for their needs. We can suggest the loan requirements, also other business decisions. So these systems are used to formulate a new or innovative risk mitigation strategies based on predefined rules and expert knowledge. So this involves knowledge engineers, rule-based engines, user interface, and knowledge experts while designing the system. And similarly, in customer support and service also, expert system can be designed as a chatbot or virtual assistant to help the decision maker and help the customer support executives. It can provide personalized customer support. This can address user queries and troubleshoot issues, recommend products based on customer preferences and their preferences. Next application of expert system is market analysis and prediction. The expert systems can be designed to analyze market data, and analyzing the market data, these systems can predict what will be the market trend for the next day or for the next month, so or for the next few days. So this can also analyze customer behavior and competitor activities to prevent the risk in the organization. We can predict various future conditions in the market areas, as well as this can also recommend marketing strategy, effective marketing strategy, pricing adjustment, and product developments and other operations based on the prediction result. So, and supply chain optimization also, export systems can help the decision maker to optimize the inventory uh, management, as well as this can analyze the demand of the customers, supplier performance, and production schedules. So these systems can provide optimal solution to the supply chain operations, formulating an effective supply chain strategy to minimize the cost and improve the efficiency. And in fraud detection, for example, credit card banking companies and other financial companies can try to prevent credit card fraud by analyzing customer transactions and other patterns in which they uh, do the transactions, and also they can analyze and detect anomalies to prevent fraudulent activities. So if it detects some malicious activities or suspicious transactions, so the system can automatically block their activity, or the system can report to the uh, controlling authority of an organization. Decision support systems also, decision export systems are designed to assist managers and executives in complex scenarios where the systems are required to provide relevant data analysis ability, and should be able to recommend uh, decisions that can be made in critical scenarios. And for example, dental is a system which is designed to perform chemical analysis to detect organic molecules. And another system called mycin has been designed to uh, detect bacterial infections. And similarly, there are many export systems designed for an organization for specific applications. So this kind of decision support systems can make decisions by analyzing several scenarios and can provide better outcomes to help the strategic planning and decision making. Human resource management. So HR manager can make use of the expert system to conduct the process easily, selection process easily. So expert systems designed to assist the HR manager can analyze the resume of candidates, and these systems can match candidates profiles to the job profile, and also the systems are capable of sending questions to the candidates and getting their response answers, evaluating the answers and providing the results. So also in addition, these systems can provide guidance on how to effectively conduct the training programs and how to develop their skills according to the requirement and current technological trends. So this will help an organization to improve the business performance. And for quality control and maintenance, export systems can be designed to monitor production processes, and these systems can analyze quality control data to ensure that the quality requirements are satisfied. And also these systems can predict equipment maintenance needs and the expiry date of the equipment and the requirement of new uh, equipment. And these systems are able to identify potential defects or issues at early stage, and also the systems can recommend corrective actions to improve the quality of the product or the service, and also reduces the time taken to deliver the product. So that's on this lecture. So we have discussed applications of export system in this lecture. Thank you.